Okay, here's round 2 of the after effect of doing the hydrotilling.
Yeah.
So I came around over here and you can see this was all done with the pressure washer, every bit of it. Yeah. So what it was, got down to the root system and beyond. You know, a lot of people said it couldn't be done in small scale areas, but I'm here to prove you wrong. Yeah, you can do it in the most intricate, tightest area that you can. It doesn't have to be a giant, large area. Oh yeah, there's my truck. What do you think? Huh? So yeah, it turned out good. You see, and I'm pretty careful about getting all that. And you know, what's going to happen is even the little particles now are going to just basically disintegrate and dissipate and go away. But I mean, I just got all up inside, all in underneath, all that, all back in there. And you can see the time frame on this comparison to when we took the first video and how this one was only about, oh, I think we're around 3 hours it took to do this. I don't have to go to the dump. I don't have to go and remove anything because there's nothing to remove because we disintegrated it all. Now let's take a look over this section. So that was just that part. So now we got a whole pathway coming in here. You can see the whole rock formation. And let it dry, all that gravel will start showing again. The fruit trees are going to do a lot better now. Everything's watered severely now. It hasn't rained for, I don't know, a couple weeks now. So everything is really happy that got to stay. You know, and that bird that's up in that tree, it'll probably grab a nice juicy worm a little bit later. Yeah, so feeding everything too that's around here that might want to grab some lunch. So I'm glad you're able to see the second part of the video. And like it says on there, it is organic. You know. See you later.